Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these 4 bowls. They are fruit shakes. They're really delicious and they help you boost your energy and keep you on the healthy side. So I'm going to start with the first one. I'm going to be using milk. You can use almond milk, any kind of milk you want. I'm also going to use vegetable protein and coconut sugar. I'm going to use pineapple, mangoes, bananas, apricots, or you can use peaches. I'm gonna use coconut, shaved coconut, and also a strawberry just to garnish, to decorate the bowl. So I'm gonna go ahead and start adding the liquids into my blender. The first thing I do, I just wanted to make sure that I will blend completely. It helps you if you use frozen fruits, and it just gives it a better texture, and I like the freshness of a bowl that is super cold, even though it's cold right now. It just makes sense to me. So this one has a tropical flavor with all the fruits that we're using. If you are craving, I don't know, something like close to a piña colada, something like that, something creamy, this will get you your fix. Now I'm going to add it into my bowl. You can actually just take this to work, to school, wherever you're going, in a cup, and just add the chia seeds, the coconut, and just go like that. You don't need to garnish it or anything, and it will help you if you're in a run with the breakfast. If you just want something healthy, this is like the perfect fix for you. And this is what it looks like. I think it looks pretty good, not just because I made it. The second one I made, it was because I was craving chocolate. That's one of my downfalls. I'm always craving chocolate. So the ingredients I'm going to use is cocoa, and it is all natural. I'm going to use also vegetable protein, the coconut sugar. I made that with coconut sugar, cocoa, and milk. And I'm going to start with the milk and the blender again, the banana. I use oats as well. You can use chia seeds if you want. I didn't use it for this one. I'm going to add all the ingredients into my blender. And it is not overly sweet. It is not that sweet, but it helps you with that craving, just so you don't fall into temptation. It really helps you a lot. And you can just take it on the go, or just make it when you're having those cravings that you cannot resist. I'm gonna garnish with a little bit of the oats. These are gluten-free oats, and they are old-fashioned. I'm gonna use some of this. You can skip this part if you don't want to, if you don't want to have to make it. It's just pretty simple. You just mix the ingredients and it turns out this way. So I'm going to try to decorate, make it look good, because if not, it just looks like a brown goo in there. I'm going to add banana and strawberries to make it look nice, and we're pretty much done. The best part is just enjoying the chocolate flavor that you get from this, and it leaves you satisfied. It helps you to fight those cravings. The next one is full of antioxidants, and it has frozen berries, it has kale, banana, also milk, almond milk you can use as well, coconut sugar, and protein, vegetable protein. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them to my blender. This one has a sweeter flavor because of the berries and the banana mixed together. I love this one, and even though a lot of people don't like kale, it adds it doesn't make it overly heavy. It helps to freshen up the shake, so that's why I like it in here. I'm gonna make sure that everything is blended and that is smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it on my bowl. And I love adding chia seeds. It has so many benefits. It gives it a great texture to your shakes, and it just fills you up a lot more. That's why I try to incorporate it in most of my shakes. But if you're not really into the flavor of this, just try adding a little bit at a time until you get used to it. Some people don't, they think they have like a fishy flavor. I honestly like it. and they are really good for your health, so I recommend you to try them. So I'm just gonna garnish my bowl, make it look pretty. I love doing this with my food, all kinds of food. I just like to decorate to make it look nice. So this is pretty much it. I love the color, pink color is really nice. And the next one, it is a little bit lighter, it's healthier. I like it, it's fresh, especially when you're gonna go work out. It's a pre-workout, after workout, whatever you want. It uses kale, pineapple, mangoes, a green apple, frozen berries, the coconut sugar, and also the vegetable shake with some water and ice. I'm gonna go ahead and take all my ingredients to the blender. And one thing I love about this is it feels light, it feels fresh, and it helps you. I feel like it helps you boost your energy levels. It feels also like it will detox you in a way with the fruits. The way that you do it here, you can also add lemon if you want to make it a little bit fresh, add more freshness to it. I just like adding all the ingredients like this. I mix and match, but right now I'm just showing you what it worked for me, what were the things that I like while I was doing the shakes. And this is one of the ones that I like taking for work. It was so quick to make, and I usually, like, you can just put all the ingredients in a Ziploc bag, put it in the freezer, and just keep them for the next morning. That way you don't have to be cutting all the stuff, like prep your shakes. And maybe the color doesn't look too appetizing, but I'm telling you, the flavors there is pretty good. Add your chia seeds or whatever you want to add here, and just garnish it, and it is pretty good. And I mean, you are gonna enjoy this. It will give you a boost, especially if you drink it in the morning. It's pretty good before you go for your morning run or your workout. I just love this. I had a little bit of kale just to decorate it, and that's it. These are the shakes that I made. I tried them all and they are pretty good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you try them. If you do and you take a picture, please tag me or share with me, either Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or Snapchat. I mean, wherever you want to share it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and share if you want. I'll talk to you next time. Bye guys.